Hello everyone, today we are here to show you the handbags, clutches, ethnics, artificial jewelry and many more. Our brand name is Emaira Collections. We are located in West Delhi and we do deals in online business by wholesale and exports. At present we are exporting to Canada as well as UK clients, and we have our another branch in Canada as well. All our products are of premium quality as we are dealing internationally, and for the further queries you can contact Nitesh Sharma and Priyanka Sharma, who are the owner of the brand. Thank you. So this is some of our collection. This is heavy Kundan collection. These are heavy jhumkis and this is the beautiful multicolored jhumki. This is all party wear collection with different colors, with unique color. As you can see, this one is of pink or peach color. This one is also heavy collection, and this one is a light collection which you can wear with kitty parties or roka ceremonies etc. Now let me show you more. Thank you. So जैसे मैंने बताया था, these are the more collections we do have. So this is the jhumki, as you can see. This is the heavy party wear collection. This is how it looks. जैसे आप ये देख सकते हैं, कुंदन में ये है elegant, very nice piece. With plains you can wear this. Okay, these are the light tops. This is the heavy set. This is the light yellow color which you can wear on roka ceremony, kirtan, kitty parties and all. Okay, मतलब आप combine कर सकते हैं. And this is a very nice piece sitting here, and the light piece which looks very classy, and you can also try with western dresses. And the other one is a multicolor peacock, which is my favorite piece for always. This is my favorite, So these are all the collections we have in Kundan with different colors. Wow, this is so nice. As you can see, this is with gold plated and red color with latkan on the down. This is also nice, the Kundan piece, which is a heavy piece with the pearls on it and with the peach color on the brown color. This is a grey color jhumki with pearls attached on it. And this is also my favorite piece. Wow, this is so heavy and so elegant. This is with the other color, the green and the white. This is also my favorite jhumki. आप जैसे देख सकते हैं, दिस इज़ अ वेरी स्पेशल पीस. लटकन है पूरी हेवी वर्क में. इस पर स्टडेड है, स्टोन स्टडेड है, पर्ल्स भी हैं, मतलब सब कुछ है एंड 3 लेयर डैंगलर्स हैं ये. दिस इज़ अ ब्लू कलर डैंगलर. कुंदन वर्क में आता है ये. इसमें भी स्टडेड स्टोन्स हैं, एवरीथिंग सब कुछ एक में ही है. इट्स अ वेरी यूनिक कलेक्शन. सब कुछ यूनिक है ये. This is the heavy party wear collection with 4 layered. This color is so nice, the blue one, royal blue. ये भी झुमकीज में आ गया, बट इसका ये बेनिफिट है कि ये देखने में जितने हैवी हैं, दे आर वेरी लाइट इन वेट. इसका वेट बहुत लाइट है. ऐसा आपको फील ही नहीं होगा आपने कुछ पहना हुआ है अपने ईयर्स में। तो जैसे आप देख सकते हैं वी हैव वाइड वैरायटी ऑफ सेट्स ऑल्सो, हैवी सेट्स, लाइट सेट्स। ये हैवी पार्टी वियर सेट है, विद ब्राइडल फंक्शन पे भी आप पहन सकते हैं। पोल्की में है ये पर्ल्स में है विद ब्यूटीफुल स्टडेड स्टोन्स एंड ऑल आर विद मांग टीका। ओके, जैसे आप ये देख सकते हैं, दिस इज़ द लाइट वन, आई विल वियर एंड आई विल शो यू। एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज़ अ लाइट सेट with pearls at the bottom, and this is so elegant and classy, which you can also wear with gowns on the sagan ceremony. And this is also with a mang tika, and this is very light in weight, as you can see. Now let's go to the bridal set. As you can see, this one with heavy studded with pearls at the bottom and the latkan also. इसके झुमकीज आर वेरी स्मॉल बिकॉज द सेट इज हैवी, सो द झुमकीज आर स्मॉल एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो विद मांग टीका. So this is the polki one, as you see, with white studded diamonds in the rectangular shape or the circle one. Pearls है जिसके नीचे at the bottom, with heavy earrings. It's like a bridal set only, and with heavy mang tika. This is the other bridal set which we have with the latest collection, which is very heavy, very elegant. Oh, wow. With heavy mang tika. All our sets are available with mang tika. This is the light one, which you can wear in roka ceremony, kitty parties, kirtan functions. This is the kundan one. Its dangles are light in weight, but they looks very heavy. This is a set, the beautiful round neck set. This is a unique collection with heavy emerald set with heavy mang tika on it. Which you can wear in ceremonies, heavy occasions, party wear. These are the danglers. This is a unique collection of our piece. The kundan one, this looks so nice, which you can wear with the plains or whites or peach color. This is the other green one, heavy one, a bridal set. Wow, my neck looks so awesome with this. As you all can see, this is some of our collection of handbags and clutches. So these all are party wears, heavy clutches. As you can see, this is the bangle one. We have the bangle also with this. You can wear it like this with suits, with kurtis, plazos. This is how it looks. The other collection which we have is of metal one. This is the metal one clutch, which you can wear with western also, western dresses, western outfits. This is the copper color, which is very nice, which suits with every kind of dresses. This is the marble one. We have the new collection, the marble clutch, for light look, for sagan ceremonies, roka ceremonies, for light occasions, you can say. This is a very heavy one, the white one, studded with pearls for the bridal purpose, as you can see. So these are all the handmaids. This is the handmade bag. Peach in color with all the multicolor on the front. Embroidery work. This is a whole embroidery work. Heavy work. This is a portly for bridal purpose, heavy occasions. This is how it looks. And all of these bags are light in weight, easy to carry. The other one is the clutch, the embroidery sling. We do have sling in this. And these are the big handbags, which you can carry for office wear, college wear, anywhere, for shopping. This is white in color, which suits with every dress, every western outfit. This is how it looks. This is the other handbag, brown pastel color, which suits with every dark or light colors also, which goes with every outfit, you can say, with the beautiful keychain. This is how it looks. Now let me show you more collection we have. So this is the wide variety of new collection we have. This is a new in the market, which you cannot see in the market, but we do have this one, the new collection, the Transi bag, bridal bag. It's in the heart shape. Another one with the bangle in the round shape, as you can see. This is the more collection we have with different colors. This is the marble one. We have different colors, nude shades, you can say, which you can also wear with western outfits. These are the heavy bridal clutches. This is how it looks. This piece is very nice, which have stones studded over there, pearls on the top. This is how it looks, and it also has a sling attached with it. This is the other copper material we have with the glitter on it. This is how it looks. It also has sling attached to it. All the bags have approximately sling attached to it. This is how it looks, which you can carry with western outfits also. And these are the portlies, the handmade portlies. This is the metal one, the other color, gold in color, which goes with every kind of outfit. And this is the evergreen color, you can say, and a sling attached to it.